Hello, my name is Dannery Hurtado, and today I am going to tell you about the places I plan to visit. I would like to travel to Tingo Maria. I love its landscapes. Tingo Maria belongs to the Huánuco region. Tingo Maria is a very beautiful place. It is the chain of mountains that form the silhouette of the Sleeping Beauty. People move around in motorcycle taxis. In this place, it is very hot and it rains a lot. We can find the viewpoint of Cerro San Francisco and we can climb the great waterfalls and the Miracle Lagoon that has a depth of 8 meters. We plan to go the San Francisco viewpoint, the sulfurous waters of Jacintillo, and the last of the miracles. We can find the cave of the owls. In the cave of the owls, we can observe reptiles, insects, and bats. It's very amazing. On the route, we observe leafy roads and extensive vegetation because it is part an extensive jungle region of the country. I plan to go for a weekend with my family. I want to stay from Saturday to Wednesday because then I have to go to work. I would like to travel at night to arrive very early in the morning. Stay at the hotel, then have breakfast and start the adventure. My route is very interesting and fun. My family and I are going to visit all the tourist places. But my family is not going to clean the waterfall. Only my boyfriend and I are going to clean the falls. Because my family is afraid. So we will live a unique experience. We will go to discos and bars. These are really fun places because tourists come on weekends. Well, typical dishes. There is a great variety of food in Tingo Maria. For example, the tacacho with cecina, the enchicapi of gallina with maní, the picuro, and patarasca. The food is delicious and exotic. That trip will be an unforgettable experience. A beautiful family trip. Well, thanks.